My India Tea Star Competition 2021. Terms and conditions. Teaboard India presents My India Tea Star Competition, where you can share a selfie, group 5 video or a picture of your tea star, the one who makes your special cup of tea that never fails to lift your spirits. It could be anyone. It could be your mother, a sibling, your house helper, etc. Participate and get a chance to win big prizes. How to participate in the competition? Like and follow Teaboards India's Facebook page and Twitter handle. #https www.facebook.com/teaboardindia and https://twitter.com/teaboardofindia. Post a selfie on your Facebook wall or Twitter timeline and tag at Teaboard India. Use hashtag #MyIndiaTeaStar, hashtag International Tea Day, etc. Give us a caption on your picture, video, selfie or group 5. Make sure you use that the privacy setting for the post is public. The video can be taken from anywhere, balcony or terrace or inside your house with family while working from home, etc. It just needs to show your tea star making tea, you and or your family having tea with your tea star, or simply having a great conversation over tea with tea star. Please take care to ensure that a selfie, group 5 video or picture, etc. should only be shot indoors, i.e. inside your house, balcony or terrace, etc. while maintaining all protocols for precaution against COVID-19. Any picture, video or selfie or group 5 shot outside will be disqualified. The competition will be on 24 till it will be held till 21st May 2021, International Tea Day. After this, no further entries to the competition will be accepted. A particular contestant may send in maximum 5 entries only. 3 best entries will win cash prizes from Teaboard India. First prize ₹25,000, second prize ₹20,000, third prize ₹15,000, and the money will be sent through bank transfer. The final declaration of the winners will be done only after our panel of judges evaluates the original high resolution versions of the photographs and videos sent by the winners. The selfie/video group 5 picture should be an original one shot by the contestant only. It should not be plagiarized, copied or downloaded from anywhere. Teaboard India decisions regarding this contest will be final and binding. No questions, correspondence or appeals will be entertained. Teaboard India reserves the right to do the final and ultimate interpretation of this competition. They reserve the right to reject any contestant at its sole and absolute discretion without having to assign any reasons whatsoever. The prize winners will have to share the following declaration with Teaboard India. I do hereby undertake that the photographs have been shot by me with the name of the contestant, a residence of with the residential address, full residential address of the contestant, and has not been plagiarized, copied, downloaded from anywhere. Neither the concepts nor any part of the photographs or videos have been copied, plagiarized or downloaded from any other source. The cash prizes will be given to winners after sharing the above mentioned declaration. The first, second, third prize will have the rights to use whole or part of the edited versions of these photographs, videos to Teaboard India for use in their advertisements or for their promotional use. As deemed fit by Teaboard India, the prize winners will have to share the following declaration with Teaboard India. I, name of the contestant, a residence of, full residential address of contestant, hereby give the right to use a whole or part or edited version of these photographs, videos to Teaboard India for use in advertisements or promotional use as deemed as fit by Teaboard India. The cash prizes will be given to winners only upon sharing the above mentioned declaration also. The prize winners will share the high resolution versions of the videos photographs with T-Board India. If contestants are discovered to be having used improper means to participate in the contest, T-Board India reserves the right to cancel the eligibility and disqualify the contestant without notice. The contest is no way sponsored, endorsed, or administered by or with Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platforms. By participating in the contest, the winners agree to use of his/her name in publicity material. The winners agree to grant T-Board India a perpetual and non-exclusive license to use the footage, photographs, videos, or captions at any time or times in all media type worldwide for advertising, trade, etc. Winners will not be entitled to any fee for such use. The copyright of the pictures, selfies, group files, videos, etc. will vest with T-Board India. Winners must share a photocopy of the Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, voter ID, passport, etc. The cash prizes will be awarded to winners only after receipt of any one of the above documents. T-Board India or its employees shall not be liable for any loss, damage, or any injury that may be sustained by the contestants or by any person in connection with the competition. T-Board India reserves all the rights at all times to modify or amend terms and conditions for this contest or to cancel it with immediate effect without giving any prior notice to any party. Please be advised that all materials posted on T-Board India Facebook and Twitter pages are subject to public downloading and viewing by third-party viewers. It is understood that by participating in this contest, you are agreed to abide all above mentioned terms and conditions unconditionally. For any further clarifications, you may like to email. You have to email dipanita.tboard@gmail.com. This is not the same as the previous competition. That was the online drawing and painting competition. As you can see here, it is a photo competition, My India T-Star competition. So please do not get confused with this and the previous contest which I uploaded yesterday. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and also hit the notification bell for getting notified on latest videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.